The global logistics industry stands at a critical crossroads where sustainability meets operational efficiency, and DSV is leading the charge into a zero-emission future. As one of the world's fourth-largest transport and logistics companies, DSV operates more than 20,000 trucks daily across multiple continents, moving goods for customers worldwide. This massive fleet has traditionally relied on diesel-powered vehicles, contributing significantly to carbon emissions in the freight sector. However, DSV has made a bold commitment to transform its operations by electrifying its fleet at an unprecedented scale. The company has partnered with Volvo Trucks to deploy over 300 electric trucks by the end of 2026, marking one of the largest electric heavy goods vehicle orders in European history. This isn't just a symbolic gesture toward sustainability, it represents a fundamental shift in how modern logistics can operate without compromising the planet's future. With more than 400 battery electric trucks already operational across Europe, DSV has positioned itself among the largest operators of electric heavy goods vehicles on the continent, proving that zero-emission freight transport is no longer a distant ambition but an operational reality today. The Volvo FH Aero Electric Partnership. At the heart of DSV's electrification strategy lies the groundbreaking Volvo FH Aero Electric, a truck that combines cutting-edge aerodynamic design with powerful electric drivetrain technology. This partnership between DSV and Volvo Trucks represents more than just a business transaction, it's a collaborative commitment to making sustainable transport accessible and scalable across the industry. The Volvo FH Aero Electric features revolutionary improvements in energy efficiency through refined aerodynamic design that reduces drag and maximizes range. Each truck comes equipped with the maximum configuration of 6 battery packs, providing an approximate driving range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. This range is sufficient for most regional logistics routes that DSV operates throughout Europe. The charging infrastructure has been carefully considered, with the trucks capable of recharging in just 2.5 hours using a 250 kilowatt DC fast charger. Roger Ulm, president of Volvo Trucks, expressed pride in deepening the partnership with DSV, stating that collaboration and strong commitment are essential for making sustainable transport and significant carbon dioxide reductions a reality. This order demonstrates DSV's confidence in Volvo's electric truck technology and proves that zero-exhaust emission transport is a viable solution in today's logistics landscape. Technical specifications and performance. The Volvo FH Aero electric trucks deployed by DSV are engineering marvels that don't compromise on power or performance despite their zero-emission credentials. Each vehicle features 3 electric motors that generate an impressive 666 horsepower and 2,400 Newton-meters of continuous torque, providing the pulling power necessary for heavy-duty logistics operations. The trucks utilize the standard I-shift gearbox that Volvo is renowned for, ensuring smooth and comfortable driving experiences that drivers are already familiar with from diesel models. The aerodynamic improvements of the FH Aero design are particularly beneficial for electric operations, as the refined cab shape enables better free-rolling properties that increase energy regeneration. This means that when drivers brake or travel downhill, the system captures and converts kinetic energy back into stored battery power, ready for use during the next acceleration or uphill climb. DSV has specified their fleet with advanced features including Volvo Dynamic Steering for enhanced maneuverability, IC Predictive Cruise Control for optimized energy efficiency, and full air suspension for driver comfort during long hauls. The comprehensive active safety package includes forward collision warning with adaptive cruise control, advanced emergency braking, side collision support, lane keeping support, and driver alert support systems, ensuring these electric trucks meet the highest safety standards in the industry. First deployments in the United Kingdom. DSV made history by deploying the first 4 Volvo FH Aero electric trucks into its UK operations, marking a significant milestone for electric freight transport in Britain. These pioneering vehicles are based at DSV's facility in Immingham and serve as direct replacements for older diesel models that previously operated the same routes. Keith Northen, manager of Divisional Road at DSV, emphasized that introducing new technology into a working fleet requires a partner who understands operational challenges and can offer real-world solutions, which is precisely why DSV chose Volvo. The company's approach to range, reliability, and infrastructure support perfectly aligns with DSV's operational needs, and the comprehensive support network provides confidence that the trucks will maintain high uptime. These first 4 trucks represent just the beginning of a much larger transformation, with DSV having already committed to receiving more than 300 zero-exhaust emission trucks from Volvo by 2026. The Immingham location already demonstrates DSV's commitment to alternative fuels, currently operating 10 vehicles powered by HVO fuel and 10 more running on compressed natural gas. Additionally, DSV operates a final-mile fleet of around 60 vehicles in Purfleet and Mercia Park, all powered by HVO, showcasing a multifaceted approach to reducing emissions across different operational segments. Infrastructure and charging solutions. The successful deployment of electric trucks extends far beyond the vehicles themselves. It requires comprehensive charging infrastructure and strategic planning to ensure seamless operations. DSV has taken a proactive approach by establishing charging infrastructure at key distribution centers, including facilities in Sweden and Denmark where the company has installed charging stations powered by electricity generated from solar panels. This renewable energy integration means that the trucks are not only zero-emission during operation but are also charged using clean energy sources, further reducing the overall carbon footprint of logistics operations. The charging strategy has been carefully planned around operational routes and driver schedules, ensuring that vehicles can recharge during loading, unloading, or mandatory rest periods without disrupting delivery schedules. DSV has worked closely with Volvo to implement a charging network that supports the specific duty cycles of their logistics operations. The company's comprehensive 5-year Volvo Gold contract covering all maintenance and repairs includes proactive monitoring of batteries and associated components, providing an additional layer of security for fleet operations. This maintenance agreement ensures maximum uptime and operational reliability, addressing one of the primary concerns businesses have when transitioning to electric vehicle technology. The infrastructure investment demonstrates DSV's long-term commitment to electric operations rather than viewing this as a short-term experiment or publicity initiative. Environmental impact and emissions reductions. The deployment of DSV's electric truck fleet represents a tangible and immediate reduction in carbon emissions from freight transport operations across Europe. Each electric truck that replaces a diesel equivalent eliminates direct tailpipe emissions from routes that previously contributed to air pollution and climate change. With more than 400 battery electric trucks now operational across DSV's European network, the company is achieving substantial emissions reductions that contribute meaningfully to global climate action goals. The transport and logistics sector represents a significant portion of global carbon emissions, and supply chains have historically been major drivers of climate change. By electrifying heavy goods vehicles at scale, DSV is demonstrating that businesses have the power to accelerate climate action through concrete operational changes. The company has aligned itself with the Science Based Targets initiative, which drives ambitious climate action in the private sector consistent with the goals of the Paris Agreement. DSV's commitment extends beyond 2026, with plans to deploy 2,000 electric trucks across its fleet by 2030, representing approximately 10% of their total global truck fleet. This ambitious target signals a fundamental transformation in how one of the world's largest logistics providers approaches environmental responsibility. Furthermore, DSV now offers customers indirect reductions, a solution that passes on emission savings generated by the electric fleet to customers across Europe, even if their specific shipment doesn't travel directly on an electric truck route. Driver experience and comfort features. While environmental benefits drive the electric truck transition, DSV has ensured that driver comfort and satisfaction remain paramount priorities in vehicle specification. The Volvo FH Aero electric trucks feature Globetrotter cabs that provide spacious and comfortable working environments for professional drivers who spend countless hours on the road. Each cab has been fitted with premium leather upholstery and suspended, heated driver seats with dual armrests, ensuring ergonomic support during long hauls. Additional comfort amenities include a premium 50mm mattress protector for rest periods, a 33-liter refrigerator for food and beverage storage, and extra cab storage solutions to keep personal items organized and accessible. The quiet operation of electric motors provides a dramatically different driving experience compared to traditional diesel trucks, significantly reducing noise fatigue during extended driving periods. The instant torque delivery from electric motors offers smooth and responsive acceleration that many drivers find more enjoyable than conventional powertrains. The familiar I-Shift gearbox ensures that drivers don't need extensive retraining, as the gear-changing behavior mimics what professional drivers already know. Advanced driver assistance systems provide additional support and safety, helping to reduce driver stress and fatigue while maintaining the highest safety standards. By prioritizing driver comfort and satisfaction, DSV recognizes that successful electric truck adoption depends not only on environmental credentials but also on creating positive experiences for the people who operate these vehicles daily. Total cost of ownership considerations. The business case for electric trucks extends beyond environmental benefits to encompass comprehensive total cost of ownership analysis that considers all financial factors over the vehicle's operational lifetime. While electric trucks typically carry higher upfront purchase prices compared to diesel equivalents, the long-term operational costs can be significantly lower due to several key factors. Electricity costs per kilometer are generally lower than diesel fuel costs, particularly when companies can charge vehicles using their own renewable energy infrastructure, as DSV has done with solar-powered charging stations. Electric drivetrains have fewer moving parts than internal combustion engines, resulting in reduced maintenance requirements and lower service costs over the vehicle's lifetime. The comprehensive 5-year Volvo Gold contract that covers DSV's fleet includes all maintenance and repairs with proactive battery monitoring, providing cost predictability and eliminating unexpected repair expenses. As battery technology continues to improve and production scales increase, the cost differential between electric and diesel trucks continues to narrow. Government incentives and grants in many European countries further improve the financial viability of electric truck adoption. DSV's analysis considers not only direct operational costs but also the value of meeting customer sustainability requirements, accessing low-emission zones in urban areas, and maintaining competitiveness in a market increasingly focused on environmental performance. The company's willingness to invest in electric technology at this scale suggests confidence that the total cost of ownership calculations support this strategic direction both environmentally and financially. Scaling electric operations across Europe. DSV's electric truck deployment represents more than isolated pilot programs, it's a systematic scaling of zero-emission operations across multiple European markets simultaneously. The company has strategically planned the rollout to ensure that electric trucks are deployed on routes where charging infrastructure exists and operational patterns support electric vehicle duty cycles. This careful planning addresses one of the primary challenges in fleet electrification, ensuring that vehicle capabilities match operational requirements without compromising service levels. DSV now operates one of Europe's largest fleets of electric heavy goods vehicles, placing the company at the forefront of the decarbonization of freight transport. While many logistics providers have focused on electrifying vans, last-mile delivery services, or cargo bikes, DSV has taken the bold step of scaling fully electric heavy trucks that operate in real-world, high-demand logistics environments. The company's extensive route planning capabilities and ongoing fleet optimization ensure that customers are not limited by electric truck range or availability. Through strategic deployment across its network, DSV can move shipments through electrified routes without operational compromise. The company's commitment to acquiring 300 electric trucks by 2026 and 2,000 by 2030 demonstrates confidence that this technology can scale to meet substantial portions of logistics demand. This systematic approach to electrification provides a roadmap that other logistics companies can follow as they develop their own sustainability strategies. The future of sustainable logistics. DSV's investment in electric truck technology represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of sustainable logistics and demonstrates that zero-emission freight transport is achievable at commercial scale today. The partnership between DSV and Volvo Trucks exemplifies how collaboration between logistics providers and vehicle manufacturers can accelerate the development and deployment of clean transportation solutions. As more electric trucks join DSV's network and charging infrastructure continues to expand across Europe, the company's electric fleet will play an increasingly central role in European road transport. The success of these initial deployments will provide valuable data and operational experience that can inform future expansion plans and help refine electric truck technology for logistics applications. DSV's commitment aligns with broader industry trends, as companies like DHL, Amazon, and DB Schenker are also investing heavily in electric fleets and alternative fuel technologies. The logistics industry's transformation towards sustainability is not just environmentally necessary but increasingly demanded by customers who need to meet their own corporate sustainability targets. By offering solutions like indirect reductions that allow customers to benefit from verified carbon reduction regardless of specific route characteristics, DSV is creating new business models around sustainable logistics. Looking ahead, the continued improvement in battery technology, expansion of charging infrastructure, and increased production volumes will make electric trucks even more viable for diverse logistics applications, potentially extending to longer routes and more challenging duty cycles than current technology supports.